How to reboot Android phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to reboot or restart your Android phone. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, the reboot of the phone is done by the power button. So here the simplest way to reboot your Android phone is by using the power button. So just press and hold on the power button for a few seconds until a menu appears on the screen. And here you'll see different options like aeroplane, silent, reboot, and power off. So from there simply tap on reboot and confirm it by tapping on reboot again, and after that your phone will restart by turning off automatically and turning back on again. And that's it. That's how you can reboot Android phone. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.